What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, if you are waiting for One UI 8 official update for your Samsung devices, then good news for you all guys. Samsung has already started rolling out One UI 8 official update for some Samsung phones, and you may know that Samsung S25 series has already received One UI 8 official update globally, and now Samsung has rolled out One UI 8 official update for some more devices. So the first one to get One UI 8 official update after Samsung S25 series is obviously Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So Samsung Galaxy S24 series has already received One UI 8 official update in Korea, and in other countries they will receive in 1 or 2 days. Okay. Other than Samsung Galaxy S24 series, Samsung Galaxy, it's pretty surprise guys. Samsung Galaxy A36 has also received One UI 8 official update in Korea. In like India and other countries like Germany, UK, you will start receiving One UI 8 official update today or tomorrow. Okay, just go to settings and check for the update. And yes guys, Samsung Galaxy A36 has also received One UI 8 official update. And other than A36 guys, Samsung Galaxy A56 has also started receiving One UI 8 official update in Korea. In India, in US, I think in today or tomorrow you will start receiving. Just go to settings and keep checking. You will get update in 1 or 2 days. Okay, as you can see, the build number, and this is the, let me show you the, this is okay, this is the One UI 8 official update for Samsung Galaxy A56. So guys, these are the three devices other than Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Samsung Galaxy S24 series, A56 and A36 has already started receiving One UI 8 official update in Korea. In India and other countries, you will start receiving today or tomorrow. Okay, so this was the good news I wanted to share with you guys, because in comments a lot of people keep asking me like, when will this device will get update, when will this device. It's my duty to inform you all guys. So if you use Samsung phones, please subscribe to my channel. So I just wanted to share the good news for you all guys, that yes, Samsung has started rolling out One UI 8 official update for other device also, A series and obviously S24 series also. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If I get any other news regarding One UI 8 official update for other device, I will definitely make a video and inform you all guys. Thank you very much.